Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So again we are looking at Manta coin or Manta network. So as you can see, it has gone down quite a bit, even though BTC is going up. So we'll try to see what is the reason behind that and what is happening with Manta as of now. So first of all, before we come here to the price action, we will see what is going on with Manta. So there is not a lot of going on with Manta beside this one. So they had a partnership with DAppTap. DAppTap is basically a gateway to the Ethereum layer 2. It is powered by the NEA. You can get a lot of things done here. You can also get points, and I do think their token is coming up. So this is basically you can also explore some airdrops. So this is basically for airdrops, and you can also get their tokens as well from the rewards, and I think they will launch an airdrop. So we'll look here. I will also drop the code for this application, and because this is very interesting, you will be able to see what is going on. So basically, DAppTap MEF has launched Manta Volume 1 Uncharted Realms, a limited journey redefining the way we explore the layer 2. So basically they have some kind of update or Odyssey Volume 1 where Manta is also involved. So beside that, there is nothing going on with Manta. There were some the team was on events, and I think because of that their updates may not have pleased the community, which could be the reason it is going down. But there is actually another reason. So if we look at the Manta token, we have around 1.87 million Manta being released in the market in next 8 hours or so. So on the March 1st, so as you can see here, it is worth around 5.41, and the token belongs to the advisors, and I believe many of the traders have responded to this because the token are for the advisors. So that means that we may probably see some selling happening. It is unclear whether they will sell or not, but it is just an speculation that they could sell their tokens, which means that could be the reasons that it is down. So another thing you have to notice that the main reason the Manta would not be doing good in the upcoming year is the supply increase. As you can see, after Feb of 2025, we have a lot of supply increase, as you can see here. So I think it is still a pretty good hold until I guess December of 2020 or 24, because there will be only 383 million Manta and 383 million Manta in the market. So this one, I don't think it does any impact to the coin as of now. We did see a lot of fall in the price, but we will discuss why is there and why it is a good, because we also got some good entries there as well. So if you missed my last video, you can also check that out for entries as well. So if we look here, so another thing is that Manta has a linear unlocks of 1.21 million daily. As you can see here, the 43k or 431k goes to the treasury, and 775k goes to the community, which happens daily as of now. So what this means is that the ecosystem and community could be selling, because the community is building the token, the ecosystems are building the dApps on Manta, and they are probably selling those tokens to get the funding for their developers and other things. So that could be the reason why it has gone down, because of the selling. So if we look at the Manta DeFi, this is actually pretty good, because if you do look at the DeFi has gone parabolic, and this is pretty amazing because their price has gone down but their DeFi is going up. So if we do look at the change, there are a lot of new dApps which have come here. So as you can see here, and a lot of gained popularity as well, as you can see. If the biggest one is Layerbank. Beside that, their native one, their DEX is Aperture Swap, which has a 7.29 million, so which is pretty good as well. So I think all of this is adding the value to the Manta, but in the long run we have to see how it will hold. So if we do look at the fees, the fees have gone down, that means the usage has gone down as well. So if we do look at the volume has gone down. It hasn't gone down that much, but it is still has gone down, which could be the reason why it has fall. So let's look at the inflows of Manta, and if we do have good inflows, so the inflows and these are the inflows and outflows. You can see here, as of now the inflows have increased. This could be the good reason, and I think uh, it could go up after that. So let's look at the price. So this is where it gets interesting, because if you do look here, I have already given all of these points, and I did say that if this trend line falls, it will probably come back, and it did retest this one and came back. So as you can see, we were able to get this entry, which is pretty good. As you can see, around 2.25, I guess, yes, 2.12 to 2.13, which was a sniper entry. As you can see, I had already given this one, and it also tested this support. So this is a pretty good. So what now? So I think if you are in profit and you got it around here, I think it is just sell it. If not, what we are looking at is the breakout from this point. So if we look here, we have a good downtrend from here, and I think if we do break this, so let's just remove this one, this okay, so this is pretty useless now. So if we do break this downtrend, or if we do break this trend, I think we will see a big breakout at the top, and the price could hit around 3.3 or even higher. So why I think it is going down, and it will try to come back here and go up again, and it could reject this level. But if we see a breakout from here, I think we will be going towards around 3.3. So if not, let's look at the 4-hour chart, what is happening here. So we do not have anything actually set up beside this one. So I'm expecting a breakout. If the BTC goes up and the alt goes up, I think the breakout is the possibility here, but we still never know. So it is safe to put a stop loss below here, because if it does go down, it will probably follow the BTC as well. So BTC, a lot of volume is in the BTC as of now. I don't think the Manta has that much volume. So let's look at the Manta volume. So the volume is not that good. As you can see here, it is pretty high, but not that high. If we wanted to go up, I think it needs more volume than that. So as of now, I think if this breakout happens, we could be heading toward 3.8 events, but this breakout needs to happen. The reason behind that is because if you look here, this breakout happened and the price went up. So this breakout happened and the price did go up, price did go up. So I think if we want it to go up, we need this breakout as well. So this was it. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. I will be back with more. Thank you.